Hi guys, it can be challenging to find the right grain mill, as there are all kinds of grain mill brands to choose from, such as Nutrimill, WONDERMILL, Sana, Kitchen Crop, LEJIYIN. We have done a thorough research and found the top 10 best grain mills on the market right now. Our expert team has searched and evaluated a wide range of grain mills ranging in price from $41 to $649. We recommend Nutrimill Grain Mill as our top pick because of its best overall performance. For more of our top picks, read on. Also, check out our buying guide for some suggestions on how to choose the right grain mill. So, let's get started. Number 10, LEJIYIN Grain Mill's Wet Dry. Now you can get it at around $319. Features of this product: wet dry cereals grinder, sand milling disc for wet grinding, suitable for grinding soaked soybeans, rice, etc. into a pulp, and can be used as soy milk and rice cakes. Steel milling disc for dry grinding, high hardness steel grinding disc. Grinding more smooth and durable. High quality materials. The grain mill used superior materials to ensure quality and durability. The capacitor housing is made of high-quality aluminum alloy material, which will not be crushed during transportation and prevent rust. Wide applicability. This commercial electric corn grinder is suitable for grinding bean curd, starch, rice flour, corn, and used in other food industries. It can grind wheat, rice, corn, sorghum, soybeans, and other crops into dry powder. It is also suitable to grind soaked soybeans and rice into pulp, can make soybean milk, rice cake, and other foods. At the same time, it can be used for crushing feed. The next is Number 9, Grain Mill Grinder 60W Electric. This grain mills is here with the 5% price off. Now you can get it at around $190. Features of this product: high efficiency motor. This high quality precision machine mill is easy to set up and use. Just using a 60W gear motor at 75 RPM gives you a crush rate of 22 pounds per min, making the big grain bills fast and easy. Perfect for large batches and high-efficiency milling. Our grain mill is a sturdy mill. The roller is using food-grade stainless steel, which has molybdenum added to its alloy content during production. Molybdenum provides a very high degree of corrosion resistance. With an aluminum hopper that can hold up to 4 kilograms 9 pounds of grains at one time, and it's easy to build your own hopper extension if you need to fit more than this in the hopper. Package includes 1X malt mill, 4X hoppers, 1X gear motor, 2X rollers. Using guide: clean it with water before using. No need to coat vegetable oil on the surface of rollers during production process. The next is Number 8, OKF Grain Mill's Electric Stainless. Now you can get it at around $130. Features of this product: it is applied to milling work of dried food such as herbal medicine, cereal, spice. Made of food-grade stainless steel, sturdy and durable, no processing pollution, ensure the stability and safety of the grinder for a long time to use. With swing-type milling and copper electric machinery, the material can be ground into fine powder in just 1 minute. Triples blade, powder blade, rotary blade, and dust removal blade can be pulverized easily. Crushing fineness reaches from 30 to 300 mesh. With timer function, you can adjust the fineness of crushing by time setting. The degree of grinding is under your control. The next is Number 7, Northern Brewer Hull Wrecker. Now you can get it at around $140. Features of this product: this grain mill is far too expensive to be so limited. Regardless of roller gap adjustment, I could not get it to grind wheat or barley, as it would just pass through the finest adjustment unscathed. Whole kernel corn is too smooth and hard. Even on the widest roller adjustment and trying to force the corn through, it would just bounce on top, because the rollers can't get a bite on the hulls. Unless it is a flatter kernel, it might get crushed or just pass through uncrushed. I could see this working for grinding larger, unrounded and soft-hulled grains, beans, etc., but it's not a whiskey distiller's grain mill. Otherwise, it's easy to assemble, good build quality. I had no issue hand tightening 2 different drills onto the drive shaft without slipping. Of course, it was not under load. If you do plan on using it on top of a 5-gallon bucket with a drill, I would suggest clamping or fastening it to the bucket, so you could let go of the drill without it tipping over. The next is Number 6, Brewland Grain Mill Brewing. Now you can get it at around $105. Features of this product: 2 grinding modes. You can either manually mill the grains by the labor-saving long crank handle, or attach your low-speed 1/2-inch or 3/8 electric drill to the end of the drive shaft, which has an 8mm hex socket, combining with bearing rollers for easy crushing. WONDERMILL Grain Mill, born for brewing. This grain mill is for homebrewing beer, crushes the grain, malt, and barley more precisely with its 8 calibration knob to adjust the spacing of the rollers from 0.025 to 0.1 inch, allowing the brewer to release the malted sugars stored inside grains without ruining the husks. Please note it cannot be used to crush corns, coffee beans, soybeans, or sugar canes, and cannot mill grains into powder. Solid steel base. The sturdy metal base is large enough to fit on any standard 5 or 6.5 gallon bucket. 2 M6 screws connect the metal base with the mill body securely. The next is number 5, Faraday Malted Grain Mill. This grain mills is here with the 28% price off. Now you can get it at around $99. Features of this product: powerful mills and adjustable gap, 5-inch rollers, 12 TPI mill, efficiently pulls all your grains through while leaving the hull intact to form an excellent filter bed for sparging. The clearance of 2 rollers is adjustable to acquire your desired fineness from 0.025 to 0.1 inch. A great helper for homebrew. Upgrade a thicker hopper that can hold up to 7.7 pounds grains at one time. Large capacity for you to handle large batches of brewing. Specially designed to crush malt for beer brew, good for mill malted barley and malted wheat. Note: not for corns and soybeans, not for flake or flour. Attach an electric drill and give your arm a rest. Give a throughput of 7 pounds in just 1 minute drill mode. Much more powerful than traditional manual mode. If you're brewing large batches, or want to maximize mash efficiency, you should definitely try the drill mode. The next is number 4, Grain Mill 150G High Speed. Now you can get it at around $46. Features of this product: multi-purpose grinder mill, widely used for grinding grains, spices, herbs, sesame, peanuts, walnuts. It is applied to milling work of dried food such as herbal medicine. Please make sure the materials you get to grind cover the long blade and no more than 2/3 of the jar. Smile Grain Grinder, power a 900W, capacity 150G, interval time 5-10 minute, rotating speed 22,000 min, triples blade, grinding blade, rotary blade, and powder removal blade, can be pulverized easily. Crushing fineness reaches from 50 to 300 mesh, no more than a minute. Metal motor blade, where resistance good. Dry raw materials only. Wet, moisture or oil materials can't be ground. Super safe corn grinder made of food grade stainless steel, tough and durable. The grinder will automatically turn off the power when overloaded. To protect your safety, gently press red button reset. The next is number 3, LEJIEYIN Grain Mill, Premium Grain. Now you can get it at around $600. Features of this product: easy to operate, just turn the machine on and pour grain into the large 850-gram capacity solid wood hopper. Rotating the hopper adjusts the texture of the flour. You can make anything from cracked grains and coarse meal to extra fine cake flour. With its fast 100 gram per minute output, you'll have the fresh flour you need in moments. And cleanup is exceptionally simple. Just unscrew the hopper and brush off the stones from time to time, or run some rice or wheat through the mill. About our product: a combination of beautiful design and perfect functionality, the LEJIYIN Grain Mill is something you won't want to hide away in a cabinet. Encased in a solid beechwood cabinet is a powerful set of rotating stones that quickly grinds grain to fresh flour. With the LEJIYIN Grain Mill, you can make fresh flour right before baking and be sure your flour is all natural with no preservatives or additives. You will taste the difference in the first loaf of bread you bake. The next is number 2, Powerful High-Speed Electric. Features of this product: made tough, heavy-duty and electric grain grinder that grinds over 100 pounds of flour in 1 hour without overloading. Unlike other flour mills, this flour grinder mill is also an electric wheat grinder, corn grinder, rice grinder, or brewery grinder. Faster than the competitors in its price range, this grain mill for flour is powered by a 1250-watt LG electronics motor that gives both capacity and longevity, an electric flour mill grinder that's sturdy, fast grinding and built to last, quiet, easy and dust-free, with only 5 parts and no complicated settings or switches. An easy clean cyclo canister and filtration tube catches all ground flour without the big mess, while its quiet operation lets you mill peacefully without all the noise and Overheating, healthier choice. This electric flour mill can work up to 10 hours without overheating. Preserves the quality nutrients of healthy food options in homemade bakery with its most powerful micronizing milling chamber and stainless steel fins. The next is Number 1, Nutrimill Harvest Stone Grain Dash. Now you can get it at around $345. Features of this product: why mill your own flour when it's so readily available? Commercial mills remove the most nutritious part of the grain in processing, even whole grain flour. Whole grain flours spoil quickly because the bran has been broken, which allows oxygen to reach all parts of the grain. Milling your own flour not only ensures that your flour is as nutritious as it can be, it also has a wonderful taste that is lost to commercially made whole grain flour. The Nutrimill Harvest Grain Mill gives you the control over the quality of food you consume with its bamboo cabinet. The Nutrimill Harvest's form matches its function. Its synthetic stone milling heads will grind a full range of textures from cracked grain to pastry-fine flour, with an easy-adjust texture control knob, allowing you to make all your favorite recipes with home-milled grains. Built to last, designed, assembled and tested in the USA, the Harvest Mill uses only the highest quality components to give you many years of reliable service. German quality ceramic grinding stones create a low-heat milling process that does not destroy vitamins and minerals. So this is the best option for you to buy.